Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today will probably just be a quick market update, and so without further ado, let's get started. To be honest, the NFT markets are pretty boring right now. Like if you head on to Dune, which is a website that I use to look up just dashboards over crypto and specifically NFTs. Like on here in the search bar, you can search up OpenSea for Ethereum NFTs, somewhat Solana NFTs, but no one goes to OpenSea for Solana. Custom NFT for trackers, stuff like that. And then right now, I'm on the Solana NFT marketplace dashboard, created by TNT, so shouts out to them. But as you can see, the monthly volume for Solana has been going down since May, since the, Solana summer of May. And then as well as the daily volume has been steadily going down as well. For the monthly active traders, it's pretty cool that ever since the beginning of the year, in January 2022, all the way until now, June, July, the amount of monthly active traders has relatively stayed the same, which means people are still sticking with us in the bear markets, even though they are trading at a smaller volume, which is to be expected. And of course, the daily active traders has been on a steady decline as well. Makes sense because markets are pretty bad right now. Everything's going crazy in the overall global markets, and so yeah, completely understandable. Like especially right now, I feel like 99% of all NFT projects minting just don't work out. Like for instance, Nakamata, a really hyped NFT project that was coming out yesterday. I made a video on them in the last video, I believe. Nakamata. Yeah, you can see here, they had a supply of 8,888, and in the first an hour, only maybe a couple hundred were minted. And so first they dropped the supply from 8,888 to 3,333, and that didn't really work. And so finally they dropped the mint price from 1.25 sold all the way down to 0.33 sold. And after a couple hours, they finally minted out. As you can see right now, floor is 0.23, so obviously went below mint even more. And activity is okay, it's decent. But yeah, listed count is 879 out of 3,333, and let's see what that is. That is around a 25% listed count, which is really bad. Anything over 20% I'd say is pretty bad. And so if you're an NFT trader, right now it's just extremely hard to make any bread if most NFT mints are doing this poorly. And I think it's mostly because of just how unstable the crypto markets are right now. Because we go on to CoinMarketCap, you can see that most cryptos are pumping right now, which is pretty surprising. And for Solana, in the last day, or in the last week actually, we've just been going on a steady incline. And so people don't really want to buy into NFTs right now because if they spend their Solana on some JPEGs, then they might miss this pump as it keeps on going. I personally think, and this is not financial advice of course, that we will see a bit of a drop here. Maybe right now we're around 37, 38. I can see it's going back down to the 34 levels. And then I think we'll have a nice floor to bounce all the way up to maybe mid 40s, high 40s, maybe even 50s. But of course, we could also drop down to the low 30s as well. No one really knows what's going to go on. Everything is just so volatile right now, and just the slightest news can shift the markets in such a big way. There's a pretty funny message by Crypto Billionaire on the bottom right, but obviously no one can tell the future, and so do what fits your current situation right now and try and survive. That's the only sound advice I can really give. Dollar cost average into investments that you believe in, and just hang on to liquidity as much as you can so you can buy in at these low prices. And yeah, that pretty much does it for my market update. Pretty short, like I said. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.